guys, that would be perfect. The real question is though, guys, how would it look on my wrist? Let's go and check it out. Okay guys, I'm inside
McDonald's
right now. I just tried on
bikini
and asked how much it was, and she said it was $15. That would take the grand total of money spent up to $65 and of course $2. And just like that, guys, I have just purchased the brand new
bikini.
Buying this
Bikini
means that I have spent almost a third of the $15. However, I've also almost used up a third of my 1 hour time. So there's no time for flexing. I've got to get a move on.
Check it out! I found a Louis Vuitton store. This is one of my favorites. And best of the one of North shop. Shine is every. You know what that means, guys? It's time for me hard credit and get there and get it out. Guys, I've just been in Louis Vuitton looking around all the expensive items. Security said that I couldn't film in there. I found a really nice pair of shoes. It was $1,500. And guess what? Oh, I bought them. Let's keep looking around the mall, guys, to hopefully find some shoes that are even more expensive than Apple.